If you're thinking how to make videos like touropia Exploropia and earn money, 1. Pick the unique right channel name like touropia. Touropia show his audience like travel, trips, adventure, explore. 2. You need an informative script, take idea from other travel channel. Then set a consistent posting schedule. If you want to understand YouTube algorithm, you must watch full video. Basically, YouTube wants YouTube user give more time in YouTube. You need to upload videos, community post and shorts properly in channel. Touropia is use this strategy and provide highly quality videos for his audience. Touropia number 3 strategy to craps audience are used similar thumbnails in each videos. 3. Make small improvements in every video and record your videos well ahead of time. 4. Use relevant keywords and video titles. 5. Try YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are crucial for promoting your channel, which is especially important for new creators. 6. Caption your videos. 7. Review your analytics. 8. Design eye-catching video thumbnails. At last, important things, check Google Trends. Select categories and make videos with countries' trending topic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.